Okay, hi guys. Today I'm gonna be doing a haul, and I went to the store. I don't know if you can see this. It's called, looks like that. It's called Buckle, and I just got a couple things. First thing I got was, I'm gonna have to show it this way. Unless I just, well, no, I have to show it this way. I got my son some socks. They're by the Hurley Nike Dry Fit. I guess it's by Nike. And they're look like this. There's a white pair, white, gray.
You know, whatever I don't use on this, I'm just gonna throw away.
And black.
Hey, this stuff's so cheap.
So, and they say Hurley right there. These were, I think these are I didn't even notice. It says medium. It says 6 to, it looks like it says 6 to 10. So, I didn't realize it. I didn't know they came in different sizes, but I got the medium. But this, I mean, he wears a size 12. They should fit him, I'm thinking. I mean, the large would have been bigger, but I guess he'll let me know. So I got these. And the next thing I got was kind of hard to show. It looks like, let me see if I can, just trying to hold it, but it's kind of hard. I'll just do it like this. It looks like this. The blouse like that. And it's black and white. And it has, I should have had my tripod. It has sleeves like this, so that's the one sleeve. Looks like that. And the other sleeve looks like this. So it looks like this. If I can just put it, hold it up like that. It's kind of hard to see. Looks like that. So if you guys can see it, looks like this, like black and striped. That was the only one that they had, and it was $22.95, and I got it for $18.36. So, and then the bottom is almost like a t-shirt. Like the bottom looks like that, like that. So I got that blouse. I liked it because of the sleeves, like this. And the last item I got was like a card holder. It's gold, and it's got places you can put, oh man, it's like next time I need my tripod. You can put your cards here, one here, that's 2, 3, let me see, 1, 2, 3, and that's 4. And then you could put 4 more on the other side, so that's 8. And then the inside, I don't know if you can see it, it's like polka dots in the inside. Take the cards out. It's polka dots on the inside. Let me see. Oh my gosh, I need a tripod. It looks like that. It's like polka dots. And it's by Urbam, Urbam. So I don't know, but they just came in gold. They had some other ones, but I didn't really want a wallet because I have wallets. I really didn't need that. But this was, you could see it was $9.95, so it's the only one they had. I have one that keeps my cards and my extra cards, my gift cards, and so I got this. I thought this was cute. It only came in gold. And this is talking about the carrying instructions. So that is my small buckle haul. It's just a store in the mall. They sell mainly ladies' clothes, men's clothes, accessories, purses, wallets, and jewelry. So I just went in there and just got some little stuff because I know my son needed some socks, and this stuff is kind of expensive, but I was like really looking on the clearance aisle. I always try to look on the clearance aisle. So alright, so that's my little buckle haul for today, and hope you guys have a good day. Bye bye.